Max is missing! What happened, Ryan? Mom, come here! What's wrong?
Let's look carefully.
Uh-huh. I can't find him.
Do you see anything? Not yet. Oh! Oh!
The gate is open.
I see it.
I don't know. Did you notice anything? Yes, this morning.
Look at these.
Ooh!
Fresh paw prints.
I saw a golden puppy.
Thank you. Let's follow them.
Good idea.
We're almost there. Keep going. The tracks continue.
Stay close.
Look over there. Let's check. They stop here.
Look around.
I found tracks.
Good job.
Look here.
Keep following. Did you see anything?
Did you see anything?
Yes, I did.
That way.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Stay together.
Stay together.
We're close.
Keep walking.
Be quiet.
Listen carefully. Fresh tracks.
Keep following. This way.
Watch closely.
Did you hear that?
Be quiet.
I heard something. Listen again.
This way. I'm with you.
Keep going. I'm trying.
Look here.
Fresh branches. More tracks. Excellent.
Anything there?
Not yet. More broken branches.
Let's follow them.
I hear something. Me too.
Wait,
What is it?
something's under here.
What is it?
Help me. I'm ready. Max.
We found him.
Almost free.
You're safe.
He's okay, Dad. That's a good boy. You found him.
Thank goodness.
Can I hold him?
Ryan did an amazing job.
I missed you.
Woof. You're safe now.
Welcome back.
I was so worried about you.
Let's go.
We're home.
Welcome back.
Good to be here. It is. Dinner is ready. Good job. Drink slowly.
Woof. You look good. Woof.
Almost finished. It looks strong.
Your favorite toy. Woof. I'll be careful. Woof. Enjoy your meal. Woof.